Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I recently spied this again from Wet n Wild. I am totally crushing on Wet n Wild lately because their stuff is so good, everything they're putting out. So I saw this Lash O Matic and I was super intrigued just because I do not understand these types of products. I think they're kind of stupid just because there's so many good regular mascaras on the market. Like, why do I want another step in my already exhaustive morning beauty routine? But I wanted to give it a go. So it's a mascara and fiber extension kit. And here's what I love most. Like, look on the box, the claims, like you go from this to this. That's legit. That is serious. They say 100% said it was easier to apply than false lashes. I hope so, because I'm a disaster when it comes to that. 93% saw excellent volume in their lashes, and 93% saw excellent length in their lashes. This is in the shade Very Black. It says it's proven results up to 39 times more volume. So we're gonna give it a go. But what I'm gonna do is I wanna do a side-by-side with the Better Than Sex. If you watched any of my videos, you know I'm kind of like drinking the Kool-Aid when it comes to this. Like, I'm obsessed with this mascara. So I wanna see how it compares. Okay, this is really interesting. So apparently this is a 3-step process. Step 1 is to prime your lashes with the mascara. I thought it was always the opposite, but okay. So we're gonna prime our lashes with this mega jumbo tube of mascara, and that is what the brush looks like. That's actually very nice. I like that brush. Okay, so here's what the mascara looks like by itself. I actually think that's not bad at all. That looks like legitimately on its own a nice mascara. So we're gonna go into the step 2, which is to apply a coat of the lash fibers. Oh, what in the world is this? What in the world is this? Did I get a bad one? Is this what this is supposed to look like? Like lint? What? I don't want to put this on my eyes. Can you hear that? Ew. This isn't what I was expecting. Did I get a bad one? No, it looks like she's wearing fur on her eyelashes too. All right, let's do this. Oh my gosh. This is legit like lint on your eyelashes. How does this not get in your eyeballs? Ugh, what the heck? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared this is gonna get in my eyes. How is this safe? This is totally gonna fall underneath my contacts. Look at that. It's like I just dipped my eyeballs in a big ball of lint. All right, Wet n Wild. Let's go ahead and apply one more coat of the mascara. Okay, this is legit. That's pretty intense for a mascara. It just feels so weird. Like, I don't understand why I'm applying little fuzzies to my eyelashes, but that seems to be doing it for me. I'm liking it so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply Better Than Sex to my other eyelash, my other eye, and we'll see how it compares. Whoa, okay, so here's Better Than Sex. Here's Lash O Matic. Obviously Lash O Matic is totally kicking you know what. This is $7.99, this is $23. I'm actually really impressed with the Lash O Matic. It gives legit eyelashes. That's amazing. So again, $23, $7.99. We're gonna see how this wears throughout the day, and I will do a couple check-ins and see in a little bit. Okay, I wanted to do a quick check-in because this mascara has been on my eyes for about 5 hours now, and look at this stuff. This little Wet n Wild $8 mascara is holding up beautifully. It's not flaked, it's not smudged, it's not done anything weird. And again, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So $23, $8. I'm really impressed with this. Yeah, but for the fact that I am having a weird time getting over the fibers that you have to put on your lashes, but it's all about performance. So I will check in one more time at the end of the night. Okay, so I have had this mascara on for 9-10 hours and I still don't understand the lash fibers, but who cares? Because look at this mascara. This is amazing. I mean, again, comparing it to the Better Than Sex, this is the Wet n Wild, and I had no issues at all with any flaking, smudging, nothing. It performed beautifully throughout the day. So I am loving this. I just, again, pray that like I don't get one of those rabbit tails in my eyeball. But in any event, if you try it, let me know. And if there's another mascara that you think is like worthy of this or kind of like on the same level as Better Than Sex, which I think this actually blows Better Than Sex away, let me know in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!